Alabama just called a special legislative session, and most people don't realize what it actually means. This could impact who represents your community, what funding flows into your area, and how your organization grows. This isn't just politics, this is about the future. This is power and it affects every one of us. The governor called a special session, which means lawmakers are meeting outside their normal schedule. And here's the key to understanding this session. They're only allowed to focus on one issue: primary elections connected to redistricting. No distractions, no extra laws, just this. That tells you this is urgent. Let's simplify this. Redistricting means redrawing voting boundaries. These boundaries decide who represents you and what communities are grouped together. Normally this happens every 10 years. But when courts step in, those lines can change immediately. And when the lines change, everything changes. Here's what most people don't see. This isn't just about maps. It's about influence, because when districts change, power shifts. Some communities gain a voice, others lose influence. And if courts allow these changes before elections, there may be new or special elections. That means everything can reset. Here's where it gets real. You could wake up in a different district without ever moving. Same home, same address. But now, different leadership, different priorities, different access. And that affects how your community is represented. Now, if you're a nonprofit church or community leader, this matters more than you think, because leadership influences funding priorities, community programs, and partnership opportunities. So when representation changes, what gets funded can change too. And if you're not positioned properly, you can get overlooked. Here's what you should do right now. Stay informed on district changes. Know who represents your area, and most importantly, get your organization structured and funding ready. Because the organizations that win aren't chasing opportunities, they're already prepared. If this helped you understand what's really happening and you're serious about building something that impacts your community, comment "ready" below or click the link to start your readiness assessment. I help you structure, position, and prepare to grow the right way. And right now, strategy matters more than ever.